We're at Bridgend today, where we've started work this week on our station improvements, which is part of the wider station improvement plan across Wales and borders. Behind me, we've just started to paint the footbridge, but we're also going to be refurbishing the waiting room on platform 2, adding a cycle shelter and extra hoops. We're adding recycling bins across the station. Then we'll also be replacing all the lights, which will become LED lights, adding some extra benches on the platforms, replacing all the signage, adding a couple of CIS screens into the booking hall. One will be for bus information, the other will be for general information to enhance what we're already doing with the train information on the station. So that's going to be happening from now up until the end of March, so really looking forward to seeing the improvements.